nakasimot siya. Hi, baby, come here.
Oh, you're your sister.
Your sister. Oh, that is a pads, Ari.
Oh, be nice.
Be nice. Be nice, your sister. What's the pads here? Padool sa pads.
Wala siya ni pag.
Hi, it's your sister, Baba. Hi. Hi, sister. Huwag mo naging yung gatong isa.
Pag mapakuhaan.
Hi, it's your sister, Baba. Kasi may kuha nung tao, mamingaw na sila ugma-ug.
Ayan. Mo, hindi mo po.
Nice.
It's your sister? Huh? It's your sister?
Are you excited for it? That's another dog.
It's your sister? Hi, sister. Hi, brother.
Sit down, relax. I'm putting you down for it.
The only stuff I left is like this same house. Look, you were just like that. You were literally in that corner when you were a baby.
Yeah, nobody loves me anymore.
Baba. Your sister, Baba. Hi. Hi, sister. Hi, sister. Hi, sister. Ano itong small nga toy lang ga? Hi, sister. Ang gusto kay hadlok man. Hi, sister. Oh, get along na ni 24 hours or... Hi, sister. Ang sus ni ok mag... Baby damulag. Chloe, sa Yuna, kaya di man maka-jump. Ayaw sa ka, baba. Come here. Play, Yuna, here down. See, na-enjoy na ka. Ah, Arkan sila gito. Ah, wala jump food. Ano kay playmate, baba? Oh, yeah.
You kidding me with this?
Good girl. Yuna.
Oh, ka to sleep.
You're eating your dress? Huh? Eating your dress? Come here, Baba. Play yun na, Baba. Play mo yun na. Play mo yun na. Come here, good girl. Bitaw ka. Mana maka-drink water. Go play yun na.
Tanga ba?
Good girl, Yuna. You like to be in the crib? That's good. Ikaw siguro yung matrain na mo, anak. Yuna. Si Minnie, di man mo angay. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Yuna. Say hi to your sister. Come here, Baba.